Hi all, today we're going to be playing Airplane Story 0, I guess? 1? I don't know. Let's start, come on. Oh, they won't let me have my animation here. But at least they let us dance. Oh, let's go. Oh, never mind, we don't have time. Yeah, let's hurry. Are we going to... Oh no. We actually played this before. Wait, what? Oh, we're not next to each other. Wait, I have 12. Let me find mine. I get a window seat. Yay! As long as I have a window seat, I'm happy. I can... Wow, this animation is actually good. Last time I played was like a lot of time ago. But I want to read. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome to Airplane flight. Bro, we are currently flying at altitude 333 feet above the level. Sorry, I know I'm not gonna have time to read it. I'm sorry, viewers that can't read. Feel free to explore the airplane. Oh, we're allowed to explore. I'll read sometime, but when it's a big one to read, I'm sorry, I cannot read for you. Maybe half of it. So, I don't want to. I want to be in VIP. I have VIP now. Yay! Why is no? Oh wait, I forgot we're the only two. That explains everything. Aww. But what if I'm lost? Oh my god, I'm definitely lost. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez, chill. I'm going to my seat. There, I sat down. Jeez, this game. Yeah. We're going to have high turbulence. Okay. Bro, my only question is, how is that medkit flying? Let me just draw this real quick. Thank God I have screen recorder. Also, it'll be like, can y'all see that medkit acting? Like, what? Did it just teleport away? Okay, please don't tell me I'm crazy. Get ready, Crew prepares a snack for everybody. I'm gonna try to find the med kit. Hello everyone, the crew members, the delicious sandwiches enjoy. Give me my delicious sandwich. Oh my god, push me. I hope I'm not allergic. Oh my god. Hey yo, get off. No, you're the one that's sick. Why? Oh no, we need to try to help you. Oh no. You also need to help. Help yourself. Save yourself. Find your suitcase. Oh, found it. Bro, I found it. It's your suitcase. Wait, what? Yay! Yeah. Okay, now I'm worried. I wish I sat next to you. Good afternoon to all passengers. Who cares? I inform you with which an absolute attitude. Bro, chill! Attitude. It will. No, bro, let me read! Am I going to sleep while standing up? Oh, never mind. You know what? I'm gonna pretend that this ticket is my phone. Oh my god, I'm so bored. Wait, this is me actually filming. I'm literally in my seat, ready to have a full-on setup. I'm just filming on my phone right now. Bro, this is so cheap. Oh, I wish it said nothing beats a jet to holiday. Right now, you can save 50 pounds. Jeez! It appears to be lost energy. Let me try to fix it, or as we try to fix it. Guys, look! What is that? I don't even see anything. I don't know. Talk. Wow. You're not even talking. Talk. You will not survive. Wow. Ah! Oh my god. Help me. This is so scary. It's not even scary. Follow me. Okay? I know the way. Oh my god, stop putting me back in my Yeah. Oh my god, stop putting me back in my seat game. Let me just sit there. Yeah. There's no snakes after me. Come, follow me. Never mind, you know. Follow! This one. Yeah, the green one. I'm on the toilet. Don't look. I'm gonna wash my hand. Wait, I wanna stay here. It looks cute sitting here. Actually, let's just dance here, right? The viewers are bored. Yeah. Hey, you're supposed to be next to me. I guess I'll go next to you. Yeah. This is my bestie. Say hi, bestie. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck. Oh, it's happening. Yeah. Time to grow a garden. You like my profile picture? You like it? You know, I'm just gonna watch my phone right now. We actually played the whole one. We're actually at Airplane 3, but we wanted to show you what happens on Airplane 1. The power's back up. No one cares. No, thank God. Good is with 2-0. The creature is on. Yeah. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Of course. Why do they always say that? The good news is the power is back up. Yes, everyone sees that. The bad news, we're going to die. The bad news is diluting amount of oxygen. Jeez. Okay. Oh yay! We need to pick one up. Pick this one. Now we need to look ugly. It's on our eyes. We are so ugly. I thought you said you're so ugly. This mask will keep you safe until you stabilize the oxygen levels. Okay. Look how ugly I need to look with this thing. At least put it on my nose or my mouth. Not my eyes. Oh my god, what? What is what? What happened? It looks like a bomb. Oh, I know what to fix it. I know this, you know, right? I know. It's the blue one, right? Wait, stand still. I can fix it. Find scissors. Found it. I found the scissors. The blue one, obviously. Blue. I will cut the blue cable. Yes, I knew it. We are safe. We did it. Yay! When can we remove this mask? We did it. Yay! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! But there's still more. We haven't heard from the crew in a while. Should we look them and check if everything is okay? Okay, sure, why not? Let's trespass. Let me guess, they oofed. Hello, open up, Captain. We need to go to the door and see if everything's okay. I forgot what we're supposed to do. Hello, Captain. Ayo. Captain Lulu. Do you remember? Come on, let's go and play. I think I remember. We're supposed to look at the dead bodies. I found them! Oh, I mean oofed bodies. I'm so sorry about that. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain. I hope the captain did not oof too. Captain, did you oof? It's locked! It's hacked. Might be. This door needs a code. We find. Open it. Oh, not the phone number. It's wait. Let me check. 9314. It's gonna write for us. I think I remember. Captain. Hey, yo. You look ugly. Don't call it a creature, it's a person too, I believe. You will pay for what you've done. I'm so scared, bro. We're not even scared. Fun story, bro. Tell me more. What do you mean all of us? We're only 2 people. It is. And now, it's time to die. No one's scared, bro. Just run. See you in the afterlife. That's rude. Wait, you said see you, so you're also gonna die? Feel bad, bro. What are we supposed to do? Are we supposed to just... The captain is unconscious. What? Yaviet, I know. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Obviously, we're going to go in and start the plane by ourselves. We need to find an autopilot button. Yeah. Press all the buttons. Jeez, did not need to do a timer. What if I'm stressing? Yes, I found the button. I basically find everything. I want to do autopilot. Yay! We did it! Yes, sir. You did not even press any buttons. You gotta be kidding me. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. What do we do now? Now we need... Oh, that's easy. I know where they're... Okay, fine. I'll just cry in the corner since I can't do it. Ella? Unconscious. Autopilot mode is on. Oh my god, yes! Yes, sir, I think we finished it, right? That was fast. Help, I cannot escape. Wow, I'm making the plane shake. Wow. Not. It looks like it. Oh, yay, finally. Co-pilot seat aside. What are we supposed to do? The captain. Oh, I need to sit there. Okay, everyone. I got this. Everyone? I think I meant, okay, bestie, I got this. Hey, did I fart or something? Oh, never mind. Ew, you farted? Did you fart? Did. Oh my god. Did you fart? Did you just fart? No. No. Try me. Try me. So weak. See you. See you in the afterlife. Yes. I'm a pilot. La la la. La la la. Oh, I forgot to read there. I was so busy on like what I actually read. Victory. Okay, y'all, that was all for today. And I can see it again.
Remember, like and subscribe.
Yes, she said like and subscribe. Wait, let me just write like and sub. Okay, now let's do a little dance, a little boogie dance to show our viewers I mean our viewers that we are happy. Okay, viewers, thank you for watching. You're like one of the OGs now for watching the whole video. You know that? Hello, my OG friend. See you later, alligator. Bye, my sillies.